Marie here again with another video. And as you can see, I got my Mardi Gras look going on, okay? And even though Mardi Gras was canceled this year or whatever, I still decided to create this look. And guess where I went? Nowhere. Nowhere. So yes, I am going to show you guys how I created this look using my makeup palette from the Candy Lady Cosmetics, and let's get started. So first I start with my brows always, and I just use a cheap eyebrow pencil that I get from my local beauty store. I like to carve out my brows, mainly focusing on the end where my hair is very scarce, and then I continue to fill it in. And once filled in, I like to follow up and clean up my brows with my Fit Me concealer in the color 50 Cafe. And I just used a concealer brush to carve out my brows and clean them up in the shape that I desire. So then I use my foundation and I actually carve out the top of my brows, and sometimes I do this and sometimes I don't, but for the purpose of this video I decide to go ahead and do it. So now I'm going to be using these colors from the Candy Lady, started with Grape, and I'm going to just pack that onto my outer crease or my right above my lid area. Next I'm going to follow up with Bubblegum, and I'm going to blend it out right above Grape. And if you guys can see, I am using packing motions, and then once I get it all packed on, that's when I go and blend it. It is very important to blend, guys. Blend for your life. Blend, okay? Like, I cannot stress that enough. You do not want any harsh lines in your makeup. The more you blend, the better it looks. So now I'm going to take my concealer in the color Ivory, and I'm going to do my cut crease. I'm going to go in and start with Banana, and I am going to just pack that on as well. To go in with the color Lime, I believe it's called, and pack that on right next to it. And once I pack the second color on, I like to switch brushes and use a blending brush to blend the colors together, because again, you do not want any harsh lines, guys. So then I'm going to take the same brush I used to blend the first two colors, and I'm going to go in with the Grape again to kind of put on my outer crease and blend it in with the pink again and the green, which is Lime. And once I feel like I have that on good enough, I'm going to take my blending brush, my flat blending brush, and blend those two colors together. I decided last minute that I'm actually going to go in with Licorice, which is a black color. I actually redid this look because I had a few people request a tutorial, but in the original I did not use licorice, but I decided to change it up a bit. So I darkened my outer crease with licorice. And guys, please be careful with the black because this is not how dark I want it. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX eyeliner, black eyeliner, and I love this one because it's like a marker, so the consistency is always the same. I don't have to worry about, oh, I have too much on my brush, or it's just consistent. So I love it, and it's easy for me to do the perfect wing. So once I'm done with that, I go in with some mascara, and I will not be putting on lashes for this video. So yeah, and this is what we have after I am done. So now to go on to my face, I like to use this orangish pinkish color, whatever you want to call it, to cover up my dark spots before I put on my foundation. And of course guys, before I did this, I did apply primer to my face. So once I'm done with my brush, I normally follow up with my beauty blender, and it just kind of smooths everything out. I like to go ahead and highlight and contour, and for my highlight, I use the same product that I use to do my brows. And for my contour, I actually just started using this black radiance product. So that's actually what I'll be using to contour, and I just blend them both out with I blend the contour out with a contour brush, and I blend my highlight out with my beauty blender. And yeah, I'm still learning how to highlight and contour, so don't come for me because I didn't send for y'all. So now to bake, or whatever they call it, I am going to be using this powder from Black Radiance. I was using another powder, but I think this is going to be my go-to because first of all, I can easily go pick it up. I don't have to wait for it to be shipped, and it's cheap. And I actually like the consistency of it a little better. So then I follow up with this powder from this contour palette that I got from the crayon case, and I just set my contour with that. Alright, so for my under eye, I'm just going to take those same three colors that I put on my lid and apply them to my lower lash. And I'm going to follow with a black eyeliner on my waterline, just to give my eyes, make my eyes pop a little bit. And we can't forget the mascara on the bottom lash, guys. because by the time you done applying all that eyeshadow, you pretty much is going to have no eyelashes because you're gonna have all that powder on and it just looks, you know, crazy. So don't forget to put on y'all mascara, okay? Alright, so let's get started with these lips. I'm going to be using my Sweet Tart Lip Gloss by the Candy Lady Cosmetics. And I'm just going to line my lips with this color. And I am going to be using another gloss, Clean Kisses from the crayon case to give me that nice ombre look. I couldn't find my other lipstick that I used originally, but of course we're just going to switch up this whole look a little bit and just kind of do whatever. So this is the final look, guys. And here's a photo of my makeup from last year. I like this look. Alright guys, so that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It is actually past Mardi Gras, but I mean this could be a, you know, everyday look too. But yes guys, if you guys, I really want to see you guys recreate this look. I will leave my Instagram and everything at the bottom in the description box. So if you guys decide to recreate this look, then please tag me, send me photos. I would love to see you guys recreate this palette, and again, I mean recreate this look. And again, I did use my palette from the Candy Lady Cosmetics, okay? Every color came from this palette, y'all, okay? Like, man, I this palette, y'all. Anyway, yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. I'm going to be dropping videos left and right, okay? So you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.